Seton Hall Prep's student leadership theme for February was empathy, which manifested in celebrations of our faith, diversity, and unity. Candidates Day and Registration Day once again brought excitement and new life to our building as the class of 2030 solidified their future as pirates. Alumni Connected as Dr. Anthony Cannella hosted the latest installment of the Prep for Life speaker series, discussing his perspective on the intersection of philosophy, positive psychology, and Jesuit tradition on how each relates to the modern person. Our Diversity Council and Black Student Society came together to host this year's More Than History gathering, inviting students to engage with perspectives and stories beyond their own and recognize Black history as an essential part of American history. Students observed the 2026 Lunar New Year with a series of fun and immersive cultural activities, including a traditional dragon dance led by students in our Mandarin classes. Our monthly Nights of Setonia Mass was celebrated together with our multilingual Mass, honoring both our school's Catholic identity and the global heritage of our students and faculty.